affiliate profits. That's the key goal for all affiliates, to increase their profits. And increasing profits is something that every affiliate wants and strives for. And that includes members of Master Affiliate Profits. If you haven't heard of Master Affiliate Profits, buckle up, stand by, because I'm going to share with you the greatest and easiest way to increase affiliate profits. My name's Dory O'Neill, and I'm one of the launch leaders for Master Affiliate Profits. And since day one, when I became an original MAP backer, I've seen the value in this platform called Master Affiliate Profits. Master Affiliate Profits is a platform that's going to allow all affiliate marketers, whether you're a super affiliate or brand new to affiliate marketing, to dramatically increase your profits. You know, the fact is that affiliate marketing has been marred by fly-by-night operators, people that put out platforms that are terrible, platforms that aren't on the side of the affiliates that join those platforms. And the good news is that three visionaries, John Thornhill, Omar Martin, and Melinda Martin, came together and put together the fairest, most generous affiliate marketing platform that the industry has ever seen. And it starts with a core component of training. So regardless if you're a super affiliate or if you're a beginner to affiliate marketing, you can get involved in Master Affiliate Profits for absolutely no cost. Now, the other thing that makes Master Affiliate Profits a game changer is the fact that it deploys frictionless enrollment. So what is frictionless enrollment? It means that you can go and join Master Affiliate Profits for no cost at all. They have a free membership, and that free membership isn't a valuable throwaway membership. It has incredible value. It has incredible value for the person that's signing up for free, because they gain immediate access to a course that's been professionally put together for beginners by John Thornhill and Omar Martin. And this course is valued at more than $600. So that's point number one. Point number two, for the super affiliate, you're able to bring in a mass of affiliates into your Master Affiliate Profits platform for free, which is frictionless enrollment. Now, let's go back to the free member. When they join, they can earn while they learn by enjoying a 25% commission that's available to them as a free member. So if you're starting off and you're looking and you don't have a lot of money and a lot of time, yeah, enroll for free, get on board, and start to earn while you learn. The second part is the built-in integrated autoresponder, and this is the reason why I'm on board. This is the reason why my team has come on board, and this is the value by either joining through me or a member of my team that is going to make the Master Affiliate Profits platform create affiliate profits at the highest levels for you. And so what am I talking about? Well, you see, when you drive a free member, silver, gold, or platinum member, you can earn from a 25 to a 75% commission on anybody that joins your team. And that's absolutely incredible. But the game really starts when you look at the built-in integrated private autoresponder. So imagine driving a lead to the front end of Master Affiliate Profits and having two super affiliates taking care and nurturing your leads and helping turn your leads into paying members of the Master Affiliate Profits platform. That right there increases affiliate profits. But now let's look at the other element, that built-in autoresponder. You're able, once the MAP team has taken care of all the marketing for you to completely focus on your private autoresponder and actually selling them or introducing them to another complementary product through the MAP's built-in integrated autoresponder, which is your autoresponder. And here's where I come in. Here's where my team of marketing professionals come in. We have already lined up 7 done for you complementary add-ons if you join our team in Master Affiliate Profits that you can integrate immediately into your private autoresponder. So initially, you're making your money by driving traffic to the front end of MAP, and you get a check from Master Affiliate Profits, and they pay daily. That's amazing. But imagine being part of my team, being part of our group, and being a valuable member of our group. You're going to get access to 7 different done for you income revenue streams that are going to be easily integrated into your private AWeber autoresponder, and you're going to make double checks. So seriously, if you're looking at increasing your affiliate profits, I don't care if you're an existing member, I don't care if you're brand new, I don't care if you join for free through either myself or a member of my team, we're going to take care of you. Our mission is to work with you and help you increase your affiliate profits. Our mission is to get on webinars free to you, teach and train you how to maximize that second most important element of the Master Affiliate Profits platform, which is your private autoresponder. And we're even going to go the extra mile, and we're going to show you, if you have your own product, if you already have your own online store, if you're already involved with another company that does their business online, we're going to show you, we're going to teach and train you how to utilize the private autoresponder that's your list to increase your profits. So when it comes to affiliate profits, we're the group that you want to join. We're the group that's going to provide you with the tools and training to make the most affiliate profits from your Master Affiliate Profits platform. My name's Dory O'Neill. Whether I've sent you this video direct or a member of my team, I highly encourage you to join Master Affiliate Profits today. Goodbye.